We know how to make the rockets. We know how to make the rockets at rate. We know what the rocket needs and how to make the things that the rocket needs. We can put all of that together to fly thousands of times, but none of that matters if you don't have a place to do it. We are in southern Louisiana on the Gulf Coast in Vermilion Parish, and more specifically in the coastal marshes just south of Pecan Island. And we're here to build a spaceport.
SpaceX started looking for a high-rate launch site in earnest probably 7 years ago, and there's kind of a few places on Earth where we can do what we need to do to launch Starship fully reusable at rate, meaning thousands of launches a year. You gotta have a place that's on the coast, that there aren't a lot of folks near where you're gonna build your launch pads. You need ample gas, and you need the right trajectories to do all of the missions that we want. And so there's really few places on Earth where you can do this, and Louisiana happens to be a perfect candidate for that.
What do you think?
Great. Yeah, it seems perfect.
This road basically, so this all serviced offshore oil and gas, right? Since like the 1950s, and so this used to be what they call Freshwater City, and so that's where the old dock space was, and so that's kind of the bones of what you're seeing.
This place will truly change the world. At what point does civilization get to know a life in the stars?
Yeah.
You can't do that launching.
You need serious tonnage. See the serious tonnage, or
Scale.
If you want to go out there and make life multiplanetary and not just be a tourist, send a few people, come back, and but if you want to go there and like actually build a self-growing civilization, you need serious tonnage. We're going to bring, I think, probably north of 10,000 really exciting jobs to Louisiana, and it's kind of jobs that are so exciting you can't wait to go to work in the morning. Right. It's super inspiring, and we believe in having a really fun work environment, and it's hard to beat rockets, frankly.
I didn't know you were employing so many people from Louisiana.
Absolutely.
We talk about Louisiana as like this mechanic shop, right? And the interesting part about the whole project is that the project is actually built on the foundation that built Louisiana, which is the energy industry, right? So you're just laying a great project on type of something that Louisiana is ready for.
When people think of SpaceX, they think of a lot of engineers and scientists and things like that, but actually the most common job at SpaceX is technician, or welder, or tube bender. These are actually the people who add the most value from going from raw material in the door to finished rockets out the other door. They're passionate about their craft, they're excited to come to work every day, and they know that they're doing something that makes a difference, both in the lives of people that are here today and for many generations to come.
70% of our workforce at Starbase, Texas is local to the Rio Grande Valley, and we're really proud of that fact, and it's something that we will replicate at even a larger scale here in Pecan Island.
Well, I think it's been incredibly exciting for the people of Louisiana. We'll make it such that the public can come and see, like they do at Cape Canaveral.
Right.
People go to see Disney World, but then they'll go over to Cape Canaveral to watch the rockets launch.
All of our launch sites are actually nestled next to wildlife refuges, whether it's Vandenberg or Cape Canaveral or Boca Chica, and so we're good at managing both of them. In order for us to build our infrastructure, to bring the launch pad, to bring the rockets here, we're going to have to literally shore up the shoreline. It's going to be a historic coastal restoration in partnership with Pecan Island and the state and Vermilion Parish to bring the marsh back, to make sure we have proper storm protection.
That's actually some of the first work that you will see happening on site, is gaining access to the property so that we can get equipment in to start restoring the wetland and making sure that we stop the erosion on the shoreline.
It's going to be a fantastic partnership with Louisiana. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Yeah, and thank you for your support again.
Oh, no, not a problem.
Yeah.
We haven't picked a name
Well,
yet.
but I think Starbase is cool.
Yeah, I love it.
Starbase, Louisiana.
All right, you heard it here first.
Yeah, we can't wait to serve y'all the first pot of gumbo.
Sounds good.